right here, get you a bolt on both sides. I'm pretty sure that's going to break off. It's right by your muffler. None of your exhaust is going through the muffler to quiet down the vehicle, and plus all these air is going to the O2 sensor that's back here that's not reading right. So I recommend changing this gasket right here. Definitely. That would take your check engine light away. Alright. That's good.